Hi there and welcome to AMP3 TV. Today we're going to have a look at a new player from iRiver. It's the L player. Now the L player, which has just come from iRiver, is basically a successor to the clicks. Everything it does is quite closely related to that, as we'll go into now. It's a great product though, and it really is going to do the business. Starting with the looks of the L player, as you can see, it's very minimalist and kind of follows on from the clicks and U10 styling of the past. The buttons are very well hidden. It's beautifully done, and literally you use the D-Clicks interface to navigate through. As you can see, resolution on this one looks brilliant as well. Now the reason the interface with the L player is so simple is because it is using iRiver's D-Click system. Now this means that instead of having buttons on the side of the player, you literally just click back and forth through the screen. You can hear it clicking, you just feel it slightly, and it allows you to navigate very, very intuitively. It's very easy to do, and literally anyone from my 8-year-old cousin has been able to find this an absolute doddle to use as a result. Now the good thing is that iRiver have actually managed to bring in the L player at a very competitive price. The pricing's come down from the Clicks 2, and you'll see both the pricing for 4 and 8 gig is very competitive. 16 gig models not available at launch was a bit of a shame, but I suspect when it does follow, its pricing is going to follow a similar line and be very, very competitive. So let's have a look at audio. As you should know, if you're aware of the iRiver brand, this is something they do spectacularly well. And the L player is no exception to that. In addition to Ogg Vorbis, which we've seen with some other iRiver players, they've now also got FLAC built in. The ability to support these obviously lossless format means that this truly is a great player for the audiophile. Moving on to video, I don't know if you can make out on the screen here, but there's a little 2-inch screen here. The video is actually very, very crisp. It's using a nice LCD here, and although it's possibly not as good as the Clicks 2, it's a very, very good resolution. Very easy to use. And unlike some of the players, one of the benefits of this iRiver is actually all the software you need to decode the video to be able to use on the player actually comes with it, which is something great to see, because it can be one of these things that could be a real pain. FM radio, again, iRivers tend to have this quite often, but this one's got very, very good reception. It's very easy to use. The presets are a doddle to set up. In addition to that, you've got FM recording, which you can also use a timer to help you with, which is a genius feature. The L player also has a mic built in for voice recording, which is doddle to set up and use. In addition to that, though, the L player is very, very easy to work with in the PC. You can either use it with something like Windows Media Player, or you can use it simply drag and drop style. Very, very easy. It should be apparent from the review then that we really view the L player as a good successor to the Clicks 2. The addition of another lossless playback format is another benefit for the audiophile. Its size, its styling continue to really kind of lead the pack. It's beautifully done. Full marks to iRiver for identifying that the price could have been a problem with Clicks 2, and they've really brought this one into line. It's a spectacularly priced unit. Now let's have a look at the scores for the L player. Value, 10 out of 10. Check it out on the website. You will not be disappointed. The pricing for this player is tremendous given its feature set. Features, 9 out of 10. The addition of another lossless format over the Clicks 2 really adds to a very accomplished feature set. There's not really too much more you could want from it. Design, while looking at it, I think you'd have to concur. 10 out of 10. They only really had themselves to beat with this one, but I think they've managed it. Audio, 10 out of 10. The addition of FLAC as another lossless format and its general playback really means it doesn't get any better than this. It's a great effort. Video, 7 out of 10. Yup, it's lost the Clicks 2's AMLAD screen, but the LCD works beautifully, as you can see here. And really, for day-to-day usage and pocketability, it's stunning. Overall then, 9 out of 10. iRiver have produced a remarkable little player to replace the Clicks 2, which was one of our favourites. Love the fact that D-Clicks functionality has been retained. They've added another lossless format, as we've mentioned. It's even better, it looks even sexier. It's a great product, well done iRiver. For these reasons alone, it's worthy of the Advanced MP3 Players Reviewers Award. And have a look at the product online. go to www.amp3.co.uk. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching the review. Cheers.